All right, let's do an unboxing or review this product that I just bought. So this is the one that you see on the screen. So here you have a 100 feet retractable power wash hose, and looks decent. So let's see how it works. So basically, I took it out of the box. So box is huge, it's big, the way you see it right now. So it comes with the manual, it comes with these anchors. These anchors, the way it works, if you never used one of these before, basically you put you make a hole on the wall, put the wall, and then after that just tight these nuts as much as possible, and this will compress and then it will expand and it will stay in place. So it comes with this that you see here, washers, this wrench, this manual that you see here. I'm going to try to zoom in more so that way you can see it a little bit more closer. This is what you're going to get. Also, I'll show you this just in case. So this is what you're going to get. You put the hole, make a hole, put this, tight it up, and that's it. And then after that, you're going to be able to use this face plate that you see here to adjust it on the wall. So it comes with this manual that you see here. It comes with the hose that you see here. Everything that you see, I mean, it seems like pretty straightforward. I'm not going to be able to do a demo now. Maybe later when I install it, because if you don't put it on the wall, it's not going to work out. So here you have warranty. Here you have this paper. Put it on the wall, make some little holes, and then you know where to put this, and that's it. So very simple. So I'll show you a little bit closely. So this is the hose that I was talking about. I'm going to zoom out so you can see a little bit better. So this one goes to the pressure washer machine, and this one that you see here goes in this machine that you see here. So this goes against the wall, like I mentioned before, and then you have the mechanism. So basically, this end, you're going to put it just screw this here, as you can see, and the other end goes to the pressure washer, and you should be set. So also this one, you don't have to do anything, looks like. So here, make sure, okay, no, I have the plastic inside. So here we have the other end goes to the one, I think it's called yes, is the handle, and here you have this. So basically it's like the one that you see in the gas station. You know, you pull the hose, and then to fill up the air on your tires, you put this like this, and that's it. There is no much. It's kind of heavy, but it seems to be good. So if I have any problems, I will make a video about this later. So as you can see, simple. So this the advantage of this, why I bought this instead of a regular water hose, is because this you just pull and and pull as much as you need. This is 100 feet, it's a lot, and then when you finish, pull a little bit more, and then it will roll up by itself, and you don't have to do anything. So less mess, less work, more practical. Because here I am in Phoenix, Arizona. Here everything is very dusty here, so it sucks. So you can clean up or wash your car today. Tomorrow it's going to be a little bit dusty, and in 3 days will be a disaster. So I'm going to make a video about the same thing, but for the airline, so the way you can inflate the tire of your car easily. So same thing. So if you want to keep learning, or if you want to watch more videos, go to the playlist. I have everything organized. Otherwise, if you have any question, you want to buy this, I'll leave you the link in the video description. Thank you for watching and see you next time.